Namaskar, this is me Kumar Tamang. Today I am going to teach you height and distance. This is the one of the important part of the trigonometry to find the height of the objects like tree, tower, building, and distance between the two objects also we can find out. So for this we have to consider a right angle triangle. For example, this is right angle triangle ABC. I have drawn here right angle triangle ABC. So AB is called height and BC is called distance, and if the object is here, then we have a angle of elevation. If we look up, if you are standing in front of the building or tree or tower, you are looking up, then with the side angle of elevation will be formed. Then similarly, if you are standing on the top of the building and looking down to any object, so there the angle of depressions will be formed with the side of the eyes. So for example, angle of depressions, how will it form? You can see, if you are standing on the top of A and if you are looking the object C, so with the side angle of depression will be formed here. Here angle will be formed, this and this horizontal line will be formed with the ground level. So in this case the angle of depression will be formed. Here angle of elevation will be formed, and here angle of depressions will be formed. And this is the height of a human being, and this is the height of a tree, CD. AB is the height of a man and CD is the height of a tree. Now distance between these two objects is BD, and from here this is the sight, line of sight. From here angle of elevation will be formed, theta, we consider as a E. So in this case we have to consider as a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle we can find out height, sometime we can find out distance, sometime we can find out angle. Let us do the problem related to height and distance in a trigonometry. Question number 1. A man observes the top of a tree 30 meter high, root 3 high, and finds the elevation of 30 degree. Find the distance between the man and the foot of the tree. Now I have already told you we have to assume right angle triangle. Now height, this is the height of a tree. Let us consider AB is the height of a tree, and distance between the two objects, there is a man is here. Let us consider man is here at the distance BC and side of a line. Now here right angle triangle, and this is the angle of elevation is formed. Here angle of elevation is formed from C to at the top of the tree A. Now let us solve the problem. Let AB be the height of a tree and BC be the distance between a man and foot of a tree. Now height of a tree is AB. AB is how much? 30 root 3 meter. Angle of elevation is how much? 30 degree. So we have to find out the distance between the man and the foot of the tree. Now height of the tree is how much? 30 root 3 meter, and angle of elevation, angle CB, let us consider theta be 30 degree. So we have to find out the BC sides. To find out the BC side in a triangle, right angle triangle, perpendicular and base is given. So which trigonometry ratio we will use? So we will use the in right angle triangle ABC, tan theta is equals to P by B, perpendicular by base. We have to find out base. So tan 30 degree is equals to the value of perpendicular is how much? AB, and the value of B base is what? BC. Now put the value. Tan 30, the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to the value of AB is how much? 30 root 3 meter by BC. BC we have to find out. Now we will do cross multiply. 1 into BC 30 root 3 into root 3 meter. Now BC is equals to 30 into root 3 is how much? 3 meter. Now BC is equals to 30 into 3, that is 90 meter. Therefore we got, therefore the distance between a main and foot of a tree is 90 meter. Questions, we have to find out the distance between the main and the foot of the tree. So we have considered AB is the height of the tree, BC is the distance between the main and foot of the tree. So AB is given 30 root 3 meters and angle of elevation theta is given 30 degree. So here we have to find out base side. This is perpendicular, this is base. Perpendicular by base in a trigonometry ratio, this is what? Tan theta. Tan theta is equals to P by B. So that value of theta is 30 degree, perpendicular is AB, base is BC. Now the value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. The value of AB is equals to 30 root 3 meters by BC. Now cross multiply 1 into BC and 30 root 3 into root 3 into 30, 90. The value of BC is 90 meter. So BC means what? The distance between a main and the foot of a tree is 90 meters.